Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Infotech. In this video we are going to discuss about what is CSS and the things you need to know about it. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. CSS describes how HTML elements are to be displayed on the screen or paper or in other media. CSS saves a lot of work. It can control the layout of multiple web pages all at once. So why use CSS? CSS is used to define styles for your web pages, including the design, layout and variations in display for different devices and different screen sizes. So CSS was created by World Wide Web Consortium. CSS is a language that describes the style of an HTML document. CSS describes how HTML elements should be displayed. So CSS is what you give styling to your HTML pages. With HTML you cannot give much styling, but with CSS you can achieve that. So CSS is like giving styling to your HTML web pages. So let's see further. So let's discuss about the syntax. So CSS syntax includes selector, a declaration part, whereas the declaration part contains property and values. Property and value combined, we can be combined as a declaration. So this selector points to the HTML element you want to style. So this is the selector part. This selector part can include any HTML element or any HTML tag. So it can be paragraph or header element or body element or whatever. So the declaration block contains one or more declarations separated by semicolons. Each declaration includes a CSS property and a value separated by semicolons. So you can use any number of declarations separated with a semicolon for your selector. Each CSS declaration always ends with a semicolon as shown here, and the declaration blocks are surrounded by curly braces. So this is the entire declaration block. So this is the declaration block and the declaration part is separated with the semicolons. So let's see some examples. So here the selector is the body element, where the body element is having the property background color and it is assigned with the value light blue. So with this code your body of your HTML page will be backgrounded with the light blue color. So h1 is nothing but your header tag which contains some text, and with color property and by assigning the value white, your text color could be changed to white. And the alignment of the text in your HTML header 1 tag will be aligned to center. So in this same here, P stands for paragraph and the text in your paragraph element will be red color and your text will be aligned to center, as because the text align is the property and the center is the value. Yeah, before and after, before CSS and after CSS. So this screenshot shows only HTML code without using any CSS, but with the same code and also applying CSS, your output will be like this, which is much effective and much better than this only HTML. But with using CSS you can achieve like good layout or good looking user interface. So that's it about CSS. So this is just to give you an overview about CSS. So I think this is just to give you an overview about CSS. Thank you guys.